Good day. Today I will discuss how we can plan for a future we cannot perfectly predict. Why do we need foresight? The future is uncertain and traditional prediction is no longer enough. Climate change, technology, economic shifts, and global crises all create uncertainty in education. Future thinking or foresight is a systematic process to explore possible, probable, and preparable futures. Richard A. Slaughter defines future thinking as expanding our awareness of what could happen so we can make better decisions today. Scenario thinking is considered the core foresight tool. It is defined as the process of considering and planning for potential outcomes. The goal here is not a prediction. Instead, it is a way of preparation. Scenario thinking supports managing risk and strengthens strategic decision making. In education, uncertainty became highly visible during major disruptions such as the COVID-19 pandemic. Schools abruptly transitioned to different learning modalities despite limited infrastructure. This shows that planning cannot rely on stable assumptions. We must adopt forward-looking approaches for multiple possible futures. James Allen Latour introduced four common ways of imagining the future: continued growth, collapse, discipline, and transformation. The first one is continued growth, where things develop in the same direction as today. For example, digital tools gradually increase in classroom. Collapse refers to system failure due to the crisis or disruption, such as infrastructure breakdown during emergencies. Third, the discipline. Society recognized for sustainability, like limiting technology use for restructure. Transformation involves radical change such as AI reshaping education. These categories help us examine possibilities more broadly instead of focusing on only one direction. Futurists identify four interrelated types of alternative futures which can be understood in layers: the possible, plausible, probable, and preparable. Possible futures include anything that could happen. For example, in education, fully virtual global classroom. Plausible futures are realistic, based on current knowledge. Example, hybrid learning models. Probable futures are what we think will most likely occur. Example, increased digital integration. Preparable futures reflect what we hope to achieve. Example, equal access to quality learning. Alternative future help guide thoughtful planning. Scenario thinking is grounded in pragmatism, which sees knowledge as adaptive and evolving. Both emphasize action over abstract theory. providing the philosophical basis for scenario thinking. Scenario thinking applies pragmatism through practical decision making. We also look at essentialism and Jean-Paul Sartre. He believed that we are free and responsible for our choices. The future is not predetermined. With the existentialist view that people are not passive observers of the future but co-creators. When educators and leaders make decisions about a strategy today, they are shaping the future. Choosing a prepared future is therefore an ethical act. For example, a school principal chooses to implement a new teaching approach. Their decision will shape students' learning experiences and future opportunities. Moving from philosophical to sociological, we look at Anthony Giddens' structuration theory. Structuration theory explains the relationship between social structures and human agency. Assumes that while structures shape possible futures, human action can also change those structures. In education, policy and technology shape learning, but educators' decision can gradually reshape these structures. So the future depends on both system and collective human actions. To practically apply structuration theory, we use the PESTEL framework. Policies include political, economical, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. By analyzing them, we can identify the key driving forces of future scenarios such as AI and environmental crisis. In today's changing education landscape, scenario thinking is essential for educators, policymakers, and researchers. Scenario thinking helps teachers stay flexible, think critically, and embrace uncertainty. Teachers don't just carry out policy, they also help shape how schools respond to future problems like integrating technology into the classroom. For top management and policymakers, scenario thinking means going beyond policies that stay the same. This means creating strategies that can adapt to new situations and closing the digital divide. Scenario thinking helps study and tackle future education challenges, moving from just coping to actively and responsibly shaping the future. Thinking isn't just reacting, it's proactively preparing education for multiple futures. Grounded in key philosophies including the Tour's futures, pragmatism, existentialism, and the sociological structure theory. Scenario thinking guides educators, policymakers, and learners to act responsibly, stay adaptable, and make ethical decisions that shape the future. It promotes reflection and readiness, helping schools and systems become resilient to change. So, I leave you with this question. What kind of future are we choosing to shape for our students? Every policy, curriculum, and classroom decision actively creates the future. Scenario thinking shows that education doesn't just prepare students, it shapes their world. The responsibility and the choice are ours. Thank you.